Directions of DG-WMX series Busbar machine. Fill hydraulic oil. Open the side door of the machine. Then, counterclockwise turn the top cover of the oil port on the hydraulic station and start filling the machine with hydraulic oil. The model of the hydraulic oil is number 46 anti-wear hydraulic oil. For C1, E1, C1S, E1S type, hydraulic oil quantity is 60 litre advisable. C3, E3, C3S, E3S type, hydraulic oil filling quantity is 90 litre advisable. When the temperature is below -5 degrees Celsius, please replace the oil to be number 32 anti-wear hydraulic oil. After filling the hydraulic oil, clockwise tighten the upper cover of the oil port and close the side door plate. Power the machine on. Open the door of the electrical cabinet. Connect the 3-phase 4-wire power supply with L1, L2 and L3 at the lower left corner of switchboard of the machine respectively, and connect the earth wire with ground. After checking, turn on the air switch and then the power is switched on. Connect the foot switch of each unit. Take out the 3 foot switches in the toolbox and connect them to punching, cutting and bending units respectively. At this time, all preparations have been completed. Startup of the machine. Startup mode of C1, E1, C1S, E1S type Busbar machine. C1, for example. Open electrical cabinet door. Turn the air switch in the electrical cabinet on. The power light is normally on at this moment. Check the emergency button on the operation panel, and the 3 emergency buttons of 3 stations are reset or not. Press the start button on the operation panel. Clockwise turn cutting, bending, punching buttons on the operation panel. Let them be in working state. Startup mode of C3, E3, C3S, E3S type Busbar machine. E3, for example, open electric cabinet door. Turn the air switch in the electrical cabinet on. Turn the power key clockwise. Power light normally on. Check the emergency button on the operation panel, and the 3 emergency buttons of 3 stations are reset or not. Lightly step on the foot switch of each station, or press each working button of the 3 stations respectively. 3 working motors are running at this time. Check whether the power wires are connected correctly or not. Lightly step on the foot switch of cutting station, or press working button of the cutting station. If the workstation is normal running up and down, means the connection of the power wire is normal. If the machine motor is rotating, but cutting station cannot be normal running up and down, please first cut off the total power supply, then open the electrical cabinet. Switch the order of any 2-phase position of L1, L2, L3. Energized again, the machine can run normally. The cutting unit of this machine is double edge offset shearing. The cut mouth is flat, without waste. This unit, with double column shear structure, simple structure, strong and durable. On the work table of the machine, with scale and positioning device. When work only need to adjust the positioning block to required size. Then place copper and aluminium bus bars on the machine table. Rotate the material press handle according to the width of bus bars. Choose 1 or 2 screws of the material press handle. Then step on foot switch or press button to cut off. The mold positioning device of punching station is independent rotating die set. Can load 1 set, 4 set, 6 set, 8 sets of punching molds once. The mold frame adopts upper and lower integral structure, are processed by CNC machining center. The concentricity is wonderful. Operators only need to rotate lightly When need to change tools. Connection parts with double column structure, strong and durable. The positioning model of punching station is mechanical two-way positioning device. By adjusting the X-axis longitudinal size and Y-axis lateral size to complete positioning work for the workpiece. When batch work, it is high machining accuracy and high processing speed, etc. The bending station of 303 E3S CNC busbar machine adopts closed bending method with the firm structure, high verticality of the workpiece. The angle control is touchscreen input method through the PLC and encoder together to complete the bending work. With high working efficiency, convenient operation, high consistency of bending angle. The bending work is with 3 operating modes: L bending, Z bending, U bending. When work, operator only needs to select the corresponding simulation graphics and input the related parameters can convenient bend bus bars. Daily maintenance of the machine. Busbar processing machine is the special processing machines of electricity industry, mainly used to process copper and aluminium busbars, and copper and aluminium compound busbars. Please do not process the workpiece of other materials on the machine. Please check the tools on the work table before using the machine. Do not place them around the moving parts of each unit. Please follow the instructions strictly during the operation of the machine. Please do not put any part of your body under the moving part of the machine for personal safety. After using the machine for each shift, please clean up the sundries, tools, etc. Fill lubricating oil to the sliding part of the machine and cut off the power supply of the machine and total power supply. Regularly check whether the connecting fasteners of the machine are firm and reliable. Regularly check the reliability of circuits and electrical components. And regularly check whether the hydraulic oil level is within a reasonable range. If any abnormality is found, please timely maintain or contact us. Machine maintenance. Need special person to use this machine, and the person need after professional training before work. If the machine breaks down, please call our after-sales service and repair under the guidance of after-sales staff. Our company will give you the most satisfied reply at the first time.